in the desert. Obviously, it's easy to overlook the idea of flood insurance in the desert, but after yesterday's storm, everybody's talking about it. It's obviously something at least worth looking into.
Yeah, and I don't think most people think about it. If you're if you're in a floodplain, the mortgage probably requires it if you have a mortgage. But if you're not, you need to check if you're in a low-lying area. Some of the areas hit yesterday. So we're going to look at flood insurance and whether or not you need it.
While this is happening, safety is most important. But when the floodwaters go down, it's time to pick up the phone.
The first thing you should do is call your insurance agent.
Nicole Farr is with Arizona Insurance Council.
It's something we forget about.
She says if your home or vehicle are flooded out, it's important to get a claim filed right away. Dealing with your car is pretty cut and dry.
Your normal comprehensive part of your auto policy will cover the damages.
How much depends on the extent of damage, age, and value of your car. Farr says things get a little more complicated when it comes to your house.
You actually need to have insurance through the National Flood Insurance Program.
Or NFIP. It's run by FEMA and has to be purchased in addition to your regular homeowners or renters insurance policy. You have to apply for it, and coverage takes 30 days to kick in after you buy it. But flood insurance covers repairs up to $250,000 and replacement of things inside your home up to $100,000. It's an extra expense that could end up saving you a lot in the long run.
It's definitely something that's needed.
So how much does something like this even cost then?
Well, it starts at $129. You may be lucky to get that price,
right.
But then it goes much higher. That's going to be thousands of dollars. It depends on the coverage you want, the house you have, the location, if you're next to a wash, if you're next to areas to get it. So that's really something you need to talk to an agent about to get the exact price. And you don't pay more to go through an agent and instead of going to the one place you can buy the flood insurance. So I would contact an agent. Yeah,
worth starting the conversation just to at least find out if it's something that you should be doing.
Exactly. And go to abc15.com. Let Joe know, and right there you can see all of our consumer stories, and we have access to insurance policies and that information. And need my help? Here's how you can reach me.